Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiza Sheikh and you are watching the Faiza's learning class about the grammar, and we are going to studying and learning and teaching the new topic active and passive voice. Okay, we have done the active voice in the present tense, but now I'm going to discuss the present continuous tense. As you know that here is present continuous tense, how we can change into the passive voice. So here first of all we should know the definition of the present continuous tense. Basically present continuous tense is used for action happening now, for an action that is unfinished. This tense also called the progressive form, progressive tense. And also जो है when an action showing is temporary. Okay, present continuous is used to an action or being done an action at this time. So here I am writing the definition clarify के लिए. So here I am writing now. Okay, here I have written the definition of present continuous tense, but now discuss the structure or active formula of present continuous tense. As you know that formula structure of active voice, it means कि present continuous tense subject plus is are am. Okay, plus verb की fourth form, then object. It is a simple formula of the present continuous tense, but how we can change into negative. So here subject plus is are am plus simply not, put the not plus verb की ing form, that would be as exact, and plus object. Okay, interrogative, how we can change it? Is are am come before the subject. Okay, simply then verb की fourth form, then object, or at the end of the formula put the question mark. That is very important for showing the questions and query. Okay, it is the formula structure of active present continuous tense, but how we can change into the formula into the passive voice. So here you should be concentrated. Object come before, then is are am. Simply here we use the being used for the continuous form in the passive voice. Okay, always use the third form of the verb, then by, and then subject. Okay, negative object plus is are am plus not being plus verb की third form, then by, then subject. Interrogative, okay, is are am, then object, then being, then verb की third form, then by, then subject. Okay, it is the interrogative of present continuous tense. Okay, first of all I would like to see all of those students, they are learning and studying the grammar. So be careful, structure of formula, that is very 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 important. अगर आपको आती है structures और formula, how you can change active voice into the passive voice very easily. Okay, now example. For example, active voice, I am writing a letter. Okay, this is active voice. Active. How we can change it? Object come before a letter. Letter is single, so here put the is. A letter is, then use the being. A letter is being. Okay, writing change into the third form, written. Written, then use by. I change into the objective pronoun, me. It is the passive voice. Passive formula. Okay, that is the example of passive voice. Okay, now I am showing one more example. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. It is the active voice. But how we can change it? Song. Song is, for example, here I am putting the songs. Okay, songs. So songs is the plural. Songs are, songs is plural. Songs are, ठीक है, songs के पास are. Songs are being, singing, change into the third form, sung, by, objective pronoun her. Okay, it is the passive voice. So we have done the present continuous tense into the passive voice. If you have any query about any topic of grammar, but nowadays as you know that I am teaching to you grammar topics, so if you have any query about it, so you can comments me. आप मुझे कमेंट्स भी कर सकते हैं, मेरा नंबर ऑलरेडी आप लोगों के पास होगा. देन डिस्क्रिप्शन में आई विल गिव द 2 links that is very important for you for any exams. One is the exam solution and second is the CSS, PCS, PMS, IELTS and English. वहाँ पे आपको जो है वो इन चीज़ों के मटेरियल्स ऑलरेडी मिल जाएंगे. यू कैन ज्वाइन इट. ओके, इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में I will discuss the present perfect tense, how we can change into the passive voice. So वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.